welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are playing with the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy collection Friendcation palette. I know it's been out for a few months now, but I finally got my hands on it and I played with it today. I'm obsessed with the palette. This is the look that I came up with and I really love how it turned out. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then you can just keep on watching. Yes, I'm so excited for today's video. I'm using the Friendcation palette. It's so pretty. Look at that. Let me see. I'm so excited. So first though, I just wanted to go ahead and prime my face. I already went ahead and primed my eyes because I like filled in my eyebrows and carved them out and then just did some concealer and powder. So my favorite combo for primer has been the L'Oreal Magic Lumi primer and the Tarte smoothing or timeless smoothing primer. I like to do this on like my cheeks, maybe a little bit on the forehead, and just kind of keep it on the perimeter of my face. And then I like to take the Tarte primer and focus it more in the T-zone because this one's more to help minimize pores and isn't as illuminating, so I like to keep that in the T-zone because I don't really want to illuminate my T-zone. So I really wanted to play with the blue shade, let's see, a moment, but I feel like I've done more blue looks recently. So I'm thinking I might do Try Me as kind of the main like lid shade because I feel like this one's a little bit too dramatic for today. So I don't really do like a lot of like pink toned looks, so I think I'm gonna do that. Just gonna go in first with the shade Necessary. And we're just going to use that as our transition. I do really like that this has a mirror built in because it just makes it so much easier. That's the one bad thing about Morphe palettes, is that there's no mirror, so then you have to like set them down and then use like a hand mirror, and I don't know. It's just easier when the mirror's in the palette, in my opinion. So far this is blending out really nicely. This is actually my first time using Dose of Colors eyeshadows. I've only used really their lip products so far. Real quick, I wanted to do this before I started my eyeshadow, but it's still fine. I just want to go in and use a lip balm. I got a new one yesterday. This is Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Shea Butter Vegan Lip Balm. I tried it out last night and it's really nice, and it was like only $3 or something, and I got it when I was checking out at Ulta. But my lips have been really dry, so I have been using an oil on them for a couple weeks and that's been really nice, but I can't keep an oil everywhere I go, so. But yeah, it's so soft. Definitely recommend trying it out if you're at Ulta. Okay, back to the eyeshadow. I think I'm going to go in next to Girl Bye, which is this really pretty kind of mauve-y matte color. I think it's going to be really pretty with the Try Me shade. Just taking that same eyeshadow brush. Ooh, that's pigmented. Okay. These shadows are blending out so beautifully. Like, I'm actually blown away. I don't know what they did, but these shadows are beautiful. I'm loving that. If you have not tried Dose of Colors eyeshadows, definitely go try them out. I mean, this wasn't like the cheapest palette by any means, but wow, they're really good. This would be a really pretty color to do like an all matte look too. I'm just gonna go in with my MAC 217 brush, go into the shade Chings, and just try to darken it up a bit, the outer corner. And I'm just keeping it on the outer E. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. So I'm just gonna take some Fit Me Concealer. You know the drill. So then I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and of course spray with some Fix Plus. Then going into Try Me. Ooh, okay, there we go. Hello. This is gorgeous. I think I'm gonna go back in with Girl Bye some more to bring more of that mauveiness back to it. I don't think I like chains with it. It's looking really, I don't know. I think maybe once we blend it out, it'll be better. But yeah, I don't like chains with this color. I'm not gonna lie. Let me go back with Girl Bye and see if I can just kind of bring more of that mauve back into it. I'm using that to kind of transition the shades as well. Okay, this isn't, I think yeah, it's getting better. I feel like this would be a good look for Valentine's Day. Maybe I want to do that. I will say when blending those shades, the pink, the Try Me shade, the shimmer from it kind of did spread over to here, which it doesn't look bad or anything because it's pretty subtle, but just something to keep in mind. It does kind of spread a little bit. Okay, so we're looking nice and blended. So I want to do some liner today. So of course we're taking my Inglot Gel Liner because it's my fave. I think I kind of want to do a wing. We're gonna go for it. Okay, and then we just need to clean up a little bit under the eyes. Let's go ahead and curl our lashes. And then I think we'll move on to the base and then come back and finish up the eyes. That's what I usually like to do. And yes, I'm still using my Roller Lash Mascara because I've been loving it. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed through like my foundation and stuff because I'm kind of been using the same stuff. So I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me, or not Fit Me, but Super Stay foundation. And then just going with my IT Cosmetics by Under Eye Concealer in the shade Light. And then doing a little bit with my Fit Me Concealer and just touching up where I need more coverage a little more and blending out my nose. Okay, then I'm going to go with my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks contour stick and just, this is in the shade Mocha, and just contour a little bit. And I'm just going with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And then I'm just going with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to set a little bit under the eyes and then carve out the contour. Then I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I feel like I should use a different highlighter. I literally have not stopped using this. I don't think I've used it anything else since I first tried this out over a month ago. Should I use something different? Maybe I'll use this with something else. Okay, we're gonna use the Amrezy highlighter. And then I'm just gonna add this more to like the center of my cheeks. Here. That's perfect. hello. And for blush, I'm just going to go into my Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Okay, so I'm going to go put in my lashes real quick and I will be right back. I'm using the Ardelle Wispies. It's the Studio Effects one, the double one, so it's like that, so they're just a little more voluminous. So I'm going to pop this on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back on with the lashes and I went ahead and wiped away my bake. I think I stopped baking my nose with this powder because I think it's a little bit too drying. Probably can't see on camera, but it definitely just looks a little dry, so I'm gonna stop doing that, but it is nice for baking. I really like it though for under the eyes. I think that's my favorite way to use it. But we're gonna finish with the eyes and take a small little brush and let's dip into the shade Just a Kiss for inner corner. Ooh. That's pretty. It's like a very wet look to it. That's really pretty. I should need to do that like on the lid sometime. But that could be pretty as like a highlighter maybe. Maybe not right now, but maybe when I'm a little bit tanner. It'd be really pretty. And then Necessary, Just to Girl By, and Try Me. Okay, so then I'm just going to go into my Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil and tightline my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and spray. I wanted to do, I should have done this before, like I did contour and everything after just foundation, but I got the Pixie Glow Mist. This is actually my first time getting any of these Pixie products. They didn't just have the regular Glow Mist, they had the Rose Glow Mist, so I figured it's probably pretty similar, so I wanted to try it. So it smells like the Mario Badescu Rose Water. For lips, I could do the I have this new one that I want to try out, but I don't think it's actually even gonna go with this color because it's kind of a more brown color, so maybe we need to save this for another video. I got the Morphe liquid lipstick in Peanut, so it's definitely more of a brownish ruddy tone, and I don't think it's going to go with this pink, so we'll use this for lip liner. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On Stay On, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme color lip liner. That's the longest title ever, but it's in the shade Need Me. So we're going to go ahead and line with that. This is a really nice formulation. It's pretty similar to the retractable lip liners from NYX. I mean, this one is retractable too, I think. And for the sake of this video, let me go get one of my Desi Colors Desi Katy lip colors. The one that's in my purse. I'll be right back. So I'm going to be using the Velvet Lip in my main. I love this one. I think I have this one and then a Mauve Story. So pretty. Okay, so let's just, I need mascara on my lower lash line. First I'm going to set everything and then finish off with mascara. Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really love this palette. Yeah, more than I was expecting to, actually, to be honest. The shades blended out beautifully. Like, I'd say these are some of the best shades I've ever used, or like shadows, sorry. The formulation is unbelievable. Like, they just blended out so nicely, so I am obsessed with that. I'm so excited to play this, and this would be a great palette to just take on vacation. I mean, it is called the Friendcation palette because it's nice and compact. It does have all your necessary shades. It has some fun colors, so I think it is a really great palette. So I would definitely recommend picking it up. I'm excited to do more looks with this, and I'm really excited to, ooh, good job, Abbie. I'm really excited to play with those two colors right here. I'm gonna have some fun with this, but that is it. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll have everything in the description box below. And yeah, well, that is everything. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.